Hi, I want to introduce to you our baby cat, but she is already 12 years old, but she is really an amazing cat. She is 12, 22 pounds, and love to roll, lick her paw, and most of all, stretch. She is so cute, charming, and very
Go!
friendly. She is a friend to everybody. She loves
One,
catching
two,
balls.
three, get the
Look,
ball!
see? He's good in catching balls. He loves to watch YouTube. Every time we play something on the television or in the cell phone, she always look at it and watch. She's watching Rania de la Mar YouTube channel. And most of all, what for dad hate is always sitting on our bed and getting her